Hi, fourth graders. I hope you've been enjoying learning about our technical writing so far and realizing that we are going to be creating a how-to project. And so it's going to be your turn to be the teacher. So our goal and objective today is that we will brainstorm some topics that you will get to teach your classmates about. And so I want you to start thinking, what are some things that you're really good at? What talents do you have? What do you enjoy doing? Could you demonstrate that skill at school? And so to get some ideas, I want you to just kind of write down some of those answers to your questions. What talents do you have? What are you good at? What do you want to show your friends when you create a video? And so when you get some ideas, I want to just share with you the criteria for your project. Now that you have some ideas, I'll share with you the criteria and what you will need for your project. So this is your chance to be an expert and to share your techniques with your class. And so you will create a how-to presentation and find all of the ways that it will be graded below. You'll complete this project during school time and maybe just at home for a little while. And then you'll have a presentation date for your due date when you need to have your video completed. And so remember, you thought of a topic and you're deciding, is it something you can easily describe? Do you have all the materials that you would need to demonstrate this project? Is it school appropriate and school safe? And will it take about 3 to 8 minutes to complete your demonstration? And so here's what you will be making. You will create a Google slide presentation, and on each slide you will have what's listed here. Slide 1, you'll have your title and name. Slide 2, you'll need to list your materials needed. And then on the following slides, you will have 2 steps with your video demonstration. So if, for example, I decide to show you how to make peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and I would do it better this time, I would write out my first 2 steps. Gather your materials, step 1. Step 2, take out 2 pieces of bread from the package. Then I would record a video of myself doing those 2 steps and include that in my Google slide. And I will continue on with a slide for the following 2 steps until my process is complete. Your slide should be done neatly and creatively. You will also be creating a written copy of your how-to slides. This is going to be separate than your Google slides, and you can either type this or you can write it on a sheet of notebook paper. You will need to include your title and your name, and then you'll have your step-by-step instructions using those transition words. This is how it'll be graded for you, 4th graders. So your whole complete project is going to be worth 60 points. And you can see all of the things that you needed to include in your technology, in your visual item, and in your written explanation. Okay. So here's the final part today, and it's time to choose your topic. And so I want you to tell your teacher in a complete sentence what your topic is. So you might say, I plan on teaching my class how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now, friends, we've done that demonstration enough, so that cannot be one of your options. If you'd like to put in a couple, maybe 2 choices, and ask your teacher to help you decide, that would be fine. Before you begin all of that hard work and brainstorming, be sure you wait for approval from your teacher and your grown-up at home before you get started. I can't wait to continue working on this project with you. Good luck choosing that topic.